Topleo specializes in Android TV box, OEM and ODM solution. We have a 52 staff's service team, customers from different continents. Our staff will be trained by engineer once a week to know more about the products. We can provide 1 million pieces monthly. The sample of PCBA will be delivered within 24 hours to 72 hours, and batch production in 7 working days. We run 12 surface mount technology production lines. For our design and research team, we have professional engineers about software and hardware. There are 400 workers on the production line. We also have 3 checkpoints on the line. One is component inspection, one is surface checking by eyes, another is by machine. Every motherboard's power port will be tested. After motherboard finished, the firmware will be burned into Android TV box one by one. The motherboard and power plugs from factory should be stayed in the aging room to pass 48 hours aging testing. Every TV box is packed with its own MAC address and standard package. Besides Android TV box, accessories are also Topleo's main market products. Our 2.4G Air Mouse gets so many chances to work with TV brand company with important certification. Android TV box, mini PC desktops, Air Mouse, mini keyboard, TV dongle, Android projector. Your smart life starts from Topleo.
Welcome to work with us.